Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lydia and on this channel we speak all things manifestation and raising your self-concept so you can feel the baddest you have ever felt in your life and manifest your life on autopilot. Everything you want. If you are new here, please subscribe because you're gonna love it. I'm not gonna lie, you are gonna love it. You can also work with me one-on-one. I have email coaching, I have one-on-one sessions, and I also have group coaching sessions in my membership. I will leave all the links down below. I am a massive believer in EFT and I recommend that all my clients do it 2 to 3 times a day. So this session is going to be on manifesting in your desires and having some trust, patience and faith while what you want is manifesting. If you have never done EFT, then just follow along as I go. You can either repeat out loud or you can repeat mentally in your mind. So we're going to start with the karate chop. Even though I don't have my manifestation yet, I choose to deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I don't have my manifestation yet, I choose to deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though it feels like it's taken forever, I am choosing to love and accept myself. It feels like it's never going to turn up. And I'm getting so frustrated for waiting. I honestly don't think it's ever going to happen. Because it hasn't happened yet. And I'm trying everything. I'm watching all the videos. I'm listening to so many podcasts. I am literally binging every content creator I can find on manifestation. I must have said 50,000 affirmations. I'm doing the work. I really think that I'm doing the work. And it's just not working. Manifestation is just too hard for me. Maybe manifesting in this thing is just not going to happen for me. Maybe I'm just the person who doesn't get what they want. I don't feel worthy of it. I don't feel like I'm good enough. I feel like everybody else can get what they want. But not me. I feel like it's a struggle for me. I really don't get why it's not working for me. Because it does work for everybody else. It works for so many people. I see so many people getting success stories. So it must work. And if I really think about it, even though I've been doing a lot of things, the affirmations, the scripting, the techniques, maybe I haven't been focused on the right things outside of that. Maybe my lack of faith and trust could be a reason as to why it's taking a little bit longer. Maybe doing the techniques and then spending the rest of the day wondering where it is isn't the best place to put my focus. So maybe I just need to play the focus game a little bit better. Because that's what manifestation is. It's a game of focus. Whatever I focus on expands. So if I'm focused on where's my manifestation, why the fuck hasn't it shown up, I'm probably going to get more of that. Whereas if I focus on, wow, isn't it wonderful it's on its way to me? Isn't it great how my self-concept is evolving every day? Doesn't it just feel nice to feel better from doing this work? Don't I love who I'm becoming in the process of manifesting what I want? Maybe if I focus on the things I'm loving about the process will go a little bit faster and a little bit easier. Maybe if I focus on the end feeling of having what I want for a little bit longer and a little bit more frequently throughout the day, then that is going to become my dominant assumption. And that's going to become my attraction point. And it doesn't have to feel so hard. It doesn't have to be such a struggle. All I have to do is focus it a little bit more than I already am. And do that every day. Just focus a little bit more every single day. And I don't have to let every doubt or every fear bother me so much. Because they're a natural part of life. I'm a human. They can't mess anything up unless I focus on them extensively. Which I'm choosing not to do now. In fact, I'm going to choose to let my faith be louder than my fear. Because both of them require that I believe in something that I can't see. Both faith and fear require me to believe something that hasn't even happened yet. And I actually would rather have what I want to happen than something I don't want to happen. So I'm going to choose faith. Because deep down, I know this stuff fucking works. I know it works. I have seen it in my own life. And I've seen it in other people's. I know this works. And I'm going to prove that to myself. What I want is going to happen. And it's going to come exactly when it's meant to. And I can trust that. And I can be patient because I know it's going to turn up. Because when I place an order on Amazon, I don't sit there worrying if it's going to turn up because I know it's going to. And when I make an order for food at a restaurant, I don't sit there asking the chef how long it's going to be. I know it's going to come out soon. And so I just enjoy myself until it turns up. In fact, I expect it to turn up and I'm excited for it. I don't question it. I'm just happy for it to come. And that is exactly what I'm going to do with my manifestation. Because I deserve this manifestation. I know I deserve it. I'm a great person. I'm worthy. I deserve the fucking world. And I deserve this to happen as fast as possible. And I'm allowing that right now. I am choosing to change my energy. I am choosing to allow what I want to come to me right now. I am choosing to be in the receiving mode. I am choosing to believe that it can and will happen. And I'm going to start living that way right now. And I know that my manifestation can actually happen any day now. I know my manifestation can happen any minute now. And I don't have to wait that long to get what I want. And the more fun I have, the quicker it will feel. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to enjoy myself as much as possible. I'm going to align my thoughts and my focus. And I'm going to remind myself that it can happen and it will happen. It's already done. It's already mine. It's already mine. And I know it is on its way to me right now. In body, mind, and spirit. Drop your arms, take a big stretch. If you are struggling with patience when it comes to having what you want, this is going to be the EFT session you're going to want to repeat on a daily basis. So come back to it, save it, and make sure you really apply what I said in the session. Have faith. Play the game of focus. Keep retraining your mind to come back to the feeling of what you want. Keep telling yourself it's going to happen. Keep reminding yourself how lucky you are. And you might just see a change very soon. Well, have a great day.